Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. My name is Jeff. Today I'm going to go over some common issues that people are having with their fog lights or their daytime running lights. Now I have here a 9-gen Honda Accord. This procedure would apply to many other vehicle make and model as well. Alright, so as you can see right here, I have both of my fog lights turned on. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the high beam and I'll show you what happens to the fogs. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my high beams. And as you can see, the blue icon for the high beam is on. And you can verify that the high beam is on. And as you can see, both fog lights are off. And this is a common issue that many people have. They might be driving their car at nighttime and turn on the high beam and they forgot to turn it off. And so the next day when they're getting in the car and they're like, hey, my fog light doesn't work. Both the driver and passenger all of a sudden doesn't work. More than likely, it's because you have the high beams turned on. It is possible that the bulb can burn out, but it's pretty unlikely that both the driver and passenger side is going to go off at the same time. So if you do have this issue where your fog light all of a sudden doesn't work, then make sure your high beam is not turned on. Because once your high beam is on, your fog light automatically turns off. And so I can prove that right now. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off my high beam. And as you can see, both fog lights are back on. Now another question that I have is that they switched out their daytime high beam to LED and all of a sudden their daytime running light doesn't turn on. Now what usually happens is now you go ahead and change out your daytime running light to an LED bulb and all of a sudden you turn on your vehicle and the DRL light doesn't turn on. So I'll show you that right now. So here you go. So the car is on, and as you can see, the daytime running light is not turned on. Now the reason why the daytime running light isn't on is because I still have this e-brake engaged. And so as you can see, you can tell there's a brake sign right there. So when I go ahead and disengage, e-brake is gone. And now they're back on. I currently have LEDs installed. This is not strobing in real life. This is the PWM signal. And so to recap, if you have your high beams turned on, your fog lights will automatically turn off. And so if you notice that your fog lights are not working anymore, both the driver and passenger side, the first thing I will do is make sure your high beam is not turned on. And as for the daytime running light, if your e-brake is engaged, your daytime running lights will not turn on. So this only happens if your car is turned off with the e-brake engaged and then you turn on your vehicle. So if your vehicle was already on and you pull up the e-brake, the daytime running light will not turn off. This sequence only works if your e-brake is engaged and then you turn on your vehicle, then your daytime running light won't turn on. And once you release the e-brake, then they'll turn back on. All right, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.